Samsung is considering building a camera with optical zoom in a future stylus, according to a patent that Patently Mobile discovered for the first time. According to the patent, which was submitted in February 2017 and was already granted, the pen could wirelessly send any image to the phone or tablet, using the Bluetooth support that was added with the Note 9 S Pen. An S Pen with a built-in camera would offer a number of benefits. On the one hand, space limitations on the main body of a phone usually mean that an optical zoom is out of the question. But the Samsung patent specifically mentions that the stylus camera includes an optical zoom function. Separating the camera from the phone would also give you more flexibility with the way you take your pictures, allowing you to take them from higher or lower points of vantage while using the phone's screen as a viewfinder. There is no guarantee that this feature will reach a future product. But after Samsung struggled with weak sales in 2018, it will need flashy new features like this to revitalize its smartphone business.